In breaking updates coming in after the High Court set aside the 65% reservation by the Nitish Tejaswi government in Bihar in 2023, the RJD leader Manoj Jha has called it an unfortunate move. Listen in.
कोर्ट का जो फैसला आया है मैं समझता हूँ आरक्षण को लेकर के जो दायरा नीतीश जी और तेजस्वी जी की सरकार ने जो बढ़ाया था वो उस पर जो रोक लगी है इसमें बेहद दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण हम मानते हैं। ऐसे फासले बढ़ाते हैं सामाजिक न्याय की मंजिलों को हासिल करने में। हमने जातिगत जनगणना के दौर में भी देखा। मैं आग्रह करूंगा नेता प्रतिपक्ष हर चुनावी सभा में तेजस्वी जी बोलते रहे, इसको 9वीं अनुसूची में शामिल करिए, इसको 9वीं अनुसूची में शामिल कीजिए। देखिए उस ना करने के नतीजे में क्या हासिल हुआ।
So the setback for the Bihar government came in from the Patna High Court that struck down the government's reservation move. The RJD now calling it an unfortunate step that has been taken. The Patna High Court had also made observations. It has nullified the Bihar government's decision. Remember, the government with Nitish Kumar as the Chief Minister and Tejaswi Yadav as the Deputy had decided to increase the reservation limit from 50% to 65% in government jobs. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, setback for the Bihar government as the Patna High Court has struck down this order which increased the reservation from 50% to 65% in government jobs.
Setback for the government. Patna High Court scrapped 65% of reservation for the backward classes, the SCs and the STs. The court set aside the Bihar reservation of vacancies in Post and Services Amendment Act 2023, and now the political leaders have also started reacting to it. The Congress party says that will the Bihar government now immediately appeal to the Supreme Court, or will the NDA government at the center put all its might behind this appeal with seriousness? Will the parliament get a chance to discuss this issue as soon as possible?
Okay, all right. We'll try and reconnect that line with Sabyasachi there. The order came in from the Patna High Court today. This was after the decision that had been taken by the previous government in Bihar. And the Patna High Court has scrapped the Bihar government's decision to increase the quota for the backward classes. It had been increased to 65%. There's a big setback for the Bihar government. The caste-based survey report the Nitish Kumar government had in November raised the quota for the deprived classes in government jobs as well as educational institutions. So a division bench led by Chief Justice K. Vinod Chandran had struck down the amendment passed by the Bihar Assembly in 2023, saying they are beyond the powers of the Constitution and violate the Equality Clause. Sabyasachi back with us. So Sabyasachi, what were the observations made by the court?
See, the Patna High Court has struck down an act passed by the Bihar Assembly last year that provided 65% reservation for the SC, ST, OBC and OBC categories in government jobs and educational institutions. The High Court has said that this was violating the 50% limit set by the Supreme Court. See, now the Congress party says that will the Bihar government now immediately appeal to the Supreme Court, or will the NDA government at the center put all its might behind this appeal with seriousness, or will the parliament get a chance to discuss this issue as soon as possible? See, kindly, all the political parties are giving their own set of reaction, be it the Congress party, RJD, or JDU in fact, but as far as the Bihar government is concerned, it's a major setback for them by the Patna High Court.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details. We're waiting for more political reactions also to come in on that.